Let's harvest potatoes. It's not going well. Potato. Oh my God, look how red it is. Oh my God. Oh, no. But we got a potato. Oh, my precious. Boop. Nah, there it is. No, no. That's massive. Why is it running around so much? Oh my God, no. I can't, I'm not digging anymore. I need to tip this lot out. That was terrifying. I'm dumping this faster than I dumped Mike when he didn't help me with that spider. Boop, 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 boop. The slimy mother. Look at the big one. You found one. Good job. Look at the colour of these. I'm honestly so happy with this little harvest. Come back to see what I do with them.